Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add store to Wix at 2026. So what is Wix stores? Wix stores lets you sell physical or digital products, accept online payment, manage orders and inventory, offer shipping, pickup or delivery, and sell internationally. Okay, so the first thing that I want you to do is to make sure that you're already logged into the website, to Wix, and after that, I do want you to open your site. So to do that, I do want you to go and click on my site option that's located on the top left, and then just select the site that you want, okay? So wait a few moments and then go and click on design site, the button that's located on the top right of the page, okay? Just like so, and then you will be forwarded into the Wix website editor. So inside that editor, I do want you to go with the left menu and click on add element or the plus icon. Then just go and scroll with your mouse to store, okay? Click it and select a store. For example, we'll go with bestseller, and after that just add to site. So you can just click it and it will be forwarded into your site. You can drag it into the place that you want to put it on, and yeah, so that way you can add a store to your page or to your website. And right now Wix automatically adds store page, product pages, cards and checkouts, and thank you page. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.